Hi there, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm gonna tell you about my online musical school. Let's begin. I can teach you play classical acoustic violin. I can teach you play classical acoustic viola. I can teach you play electric violin or viola. It can be 4-string, 5-string or more, depends from your taste. I can help you select musical devices for your needs. So, I can teach you play classical music, folk music, making covers on worldwide hits, improvising different style, make your own arrangements with musical soft, create your own music. If you would like to study in my school, contact me and see you on my lesson.